How to create a zip archive of a directory. How can I create a zip archive of a directory structure in Python?
As others have pointed out, you should use zipfile. The documentation tells you what functions are available, but doesn't really explain how you can use them to zip an entire directory. I think it's easiest to explain with some example code.
The easiest way is to use shuttle.make_archive. It supports both zip and tar formats. If you need to do something more complicated than zipping the whole directory, such as skipping certain files, then you'll need to dig into the zip file module as others have suggested.
To add the contents of my directory to a new zip file, including all files and subdirectories. How can I create a zip archive of a directory structure in Python? In a Python script. In Python 2.7+, Shuttle has a make_archive function. Here the zipped archive will be named zipfile_name.zip. If base_dir is farther down from root_dir, it will exclude files not in the base_dir, but still archive the files in the parent dirs up to the root_dir. I did have an issue testing this on Cygwin with 2.7, it wants a root_dir argument, for CWD. Using Python from the shell. You can do this with Python from the shell also using the zipfile module. Where zip name is the name of the destination file you want, add .zip if you want it. It won't do it automatically, and source_dir is the path to the directory. Zipping up Python, or just don't want parent dir. If you're trying to zip up a Python package with the _in and _.py and _main_.py, and you don't want the parent dir, it's and would run the package. Note that you can't run some packages as the entry point from a zipped archive. Zipping a Python app. If you have Python 3.5+, and specifically want to zip up a Python package, use zip app.
If you want to say more, please consider subscribing.